Severance Season 2 was a roller coaster. Here are some of the best and the worst things about Severance Season 2. One of the best things about Severance Season 2 was the thematic depth and the world building. This season went even deeper into the horrors of Severance. One of the worst things about this season was the pacing issues. Some parts dragged even more than Season 1, and that's saying a lot. One of the best things about Season 2 was the standout performances. Trammell Tillman as Mr. Milchick, Amy Wordy. He was the highlight for me this season. He actually carried some episodes for me. One of the worst things about this season was the lack of cohesive storytelling. Some parts of this show felt like I was watching a different show. Some subplots seemed important but went nowhere, but then some other subplots popped out of nowhere and were very important. One of the best things about this season was the cinematography and the atmosphere. Every shot is so precise and it adds to the eeriness. One of the worst things about this season is that Devon's character writing was weak. For some reason, they tried to make her character naive. The whole Colleen Cobell thing didn't really sit well with me because I feel like they sacrificed her character just to bring Cobell back into the main story. One of the best things about this season is that the finale actually delivered again. This was a great finale that will split people, but that's what a finale is supposed to do. One of the worst things about this season was Mark's reintegration arc. It felt underwhelming. We had this huge build-up to Mark's reintegration arc and it just fell flat for me. Was Severance Season 2 perfect or frustrating? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.